Hey there, and welcome to another intermediate Python video. Last time, we talked about how to handle exceptions in Python, and today, you're going to learn about the ternary operator and how to use it in Python programs. Let's go! A very common operation in programming is to assign a value x to a variable when a condition is true and some other value y when that condition is false. So here's an example of such a program. So we have a variable that is sunny. And if sunny is true, then we would assign a variable activity to be hiking. Otherwise, we'll say we're going to assign the activity to be reading. So running this program, we get hiking because is sunny is true. If I change is sunny to be false, then we'll see the value changed to reading. Now, this is a very common task in programming, and something called the ternary operator, also known as the conditional expression, can make our code more concise. So here's how we can do what we did here in this cell in Python with the ternary operator. We can shorten the 6 lines here to 3 lines and also make our code more readable. We have the same variable as sunny, and then we say activity is equal to, and then this is the conditional expression, the ternary operation here. We're saying activity will be equal to hiking if this condition is true. If is sunny, otherwise we'll assign reading to activity. So activity will be this, if this, else activity will be reading. So printing this out, we'll see activity is hiking right now. And changing this, we'll get reading. The syntax of the ternary operator is x if c, else y. So Python will evaluate, is c true? If c evaluates to be true, then x is the result of this whole expression. If c is false, then the entire expression will evaluate to y. So here we have the code c is true if 1 is greater than 0, so this is the condition. Otherwise, we'll print out c is false. And here we get c is true because this condition is true. If I change this to the lesser than sign, then we'll see c is false. So Python will look, is 1 less than 0? It is not. Therefore, we go here and say c is false. And this is pretty simple actually. You can just read it out loud. We'll print out c is true if 1 is less than 0. Otherwise, we'll print out c is false. We can also use the ternary operator in functions. So here we have a function that evaluates a value x and sees whether it is even or odd. So we'll return the value even if the condition of x modulus 2 is equal to 0. Otherwise, we will return odd. So even or odd 0 should give us even. And even or odd negative 9 should give us odd. So we're asking, if this is true, we will return even. Otherwise, we'll return odd. And this is really just one expression here. You can think about it as one expression that the function is returning. It's always important to keep our code concise and readable. So now you have the ternary operator under your belt to help you with that. And that's it for this video on the ternary operator in Python programming. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel down below. And with that said, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in more videos.